Hello Steno candidates, I am Ravina. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Lotus Steno Legal Matters. I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matters. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
Learned Counsel also submits that no specific allegations are there in the FIR that the complainant has been cheated by any action on the part of the petitioner's stop. Moreover, no offence is alleged to have taken place within the jurisdiction of Kapurthala, as the complainant is not residing within the jurisdiction of said police station stop. The complainant is residing in Canada since the year 2005 and the present FIR has been registered against the petitioners in the year 2010 and proceedings are totally misuse of process of law stop. Learned Counsel for the petitioners has also brought to the notice of law this court that an affidavit has been filed by the complainant, wherein it has specifically been mentioned that huge amount was spent on marriage and she took her husband Sarabjit Singh to Canada by spending huge amount stop. The allegations are against the husband and her in-laws and also against the present petitioners stop. Next para. Learned Counsel for respondent number 2 complainant opposes the submissions made by Learned Counsel for the petitioners on the ground that the charges have been framed and the petitioners were having remedy to challenge the charge, but instead of availing alternative remedy, the present petition for quashing of FIR has been filed, which is not maintainable stop. Learned State Counsel submits that the case is at the evidence stage and out of 12 prosecution witnesses, the statements of 4 witnesses have been recorded. Stop. Next para. Heard the arguments of Learned Counsel for the parties and have also perused the FIR and other documents on the file. Stop. Admittedly, the petitioners are maternal grandfather and maternal grandmother bracket start Nana and Nani bracket close of the husband of the complainant stop. Along with the petitioners, the FIR has been registered against other family members like husband, mother-in-law, father-in-law and sister-in-law of the complainant, respondent number 2, and they are facing trial, and the husband of the complainant is residing in Canada stop. The divorce petition filed by him has been allowed stop. The present petition has been filed for quashing of FIR on the ground that the petitioners have no concern in any manner with the alleged allegations and they have been implicated on the basis of vague allegations, as there is no specific allegation against them stop. They have been implicated being relatives of the husband of the complainant. Stop. Next para. On perusal of contents of the FIR, the only allegation against the petitioners are that they were mediators of the marriage and all the accused in convenience with each other have cheated the complainant for sending the accused husband Sarabjit Singh to Canada.